Today I'd like to speak about anti-aging medicine. The treatment of disease is actually also anti-aging, but we're starting from a point of a disease situation. And if we enact a cure or progress disease to a lighter state, we are already increasing a person's survivability through time. But anti-aging is basically a concept applied to healthy people who want to become healthier, who want to slow down the aging process or even stop the aging process. Or, in my case, reverse the aging process. In this video we're going to show some of the pictures of when I was sick. Some people know, people who've been listening to me for a while, I'm 66 now. When I was 60, my health collapsed. When I was 61, I almost died. And for years, I struggled with my disease. My syndrome was centered in my solar plexus, and my liver, and I was a mess. And this year, I started hydrogen therapy. Hydrogen gas. I've been drinking hydrogen water for about 2 years, and you'll see, just looking at my videos recently, my face today, I've gone through a radical change, and even the shape of my face has changed, and it's very dramatic, very, very visible. I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling younger than I have I can't even remember feeling the way I feel now. And of course, it's not just hydrogen gas that, even though it had the most impact on my health, it's not the only thing I've been doing. When you pay attention to the very basics of life and work with those basics, one can move mountains, and I'm proof of that. I start out every morning taking pH Adjust, which is sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, and magnesium. Sodium bicarbonate is the cheapest and one of the best anti-aging medicines. Why? Because as we get older, our stomach, our pancreas, and kidneys do not produce enough bicarbonate. People become bicarbonate deficient, and it's part of the basic aging process. So taking bicarbonate, which is a buffer for the pH of the blood, really matters. But I've been taking bicarbonate a long time, and it didn't have the power to restore my health like the hydrogen gas has. In terms of how do I judge, besides looking at my face, how do I personally feel, or what symptom did the hydrogen gas affect on me? Well, I've had neuropathy of my feet for probably 10 years, and it got worse and worse and worse. Since doing the hydrogen gas, it's gotten better and better and better, and it's about 90% better. I wouldn't say I'm in perfect health yet, which means I have a way to go to continue to reverse the aging process, reverse the process of disease and breakdown of my body, and I use many things for that. Infrared, I sleep on a biomat every night, unless it gets really hot. Take my bicarbonate, take a lot of magnesium, and one of the strongest things that one can do in terms of their anti-aging is to slow their breathing down. Makes a big difference in terms of aging. 50 years ago, they used to say the normal breathing rate was 8 breaths a minute. Now they say 12. A lot of people are breathing at 20, 25. When you get into those ranges, we're talking about cancer, because the faster you breathe, the less oxygen you get. Tissues, they don't get enough oxygen. They get stagnant. They don't have the oxygen for respiration and elimination, so things get gummed up. But imagine breathing, if I'd have to do the mathematics, but at 10 breaths a minute times 60 minutes times 24 hours a day, imagine the difference between 10 and breathing 20. There's only so many breaths we get in a lifetime. The faster you breathe, the sooner you're going to die. The faster you breathe, the sicker you get. So using something like this, very simple. Prolonging the exhale slows the breathing down. So my whole protocol, Natural Allopathic Medicine, is designed not only to treat serious diseases and people at death's door, stage 4 cancer, it's also the perfect anti-aging protocol because it pays attention to the very basics of life.